Hello everyone! This is the second part of the video tutorial how to crochet flowy top. In this video I'll show you how to join rows to crochet in the round and how to work increase rounds. Complete details about the project are available at interunit.com/crochet flowy top. On this webpage you may share pictures of your work and ask questions if any. In the first part of the video tutorial, I showed how to work rows. Now I'll show you how to join them to crochet in the round. Crochet the 4-row pattern until the length will be about half of your chest circumference, then skip 33 chains, attach the yarn, chain 4, and work the front part totally the same as the back one. Here is my V-stitch and 4 triple crochets above it. Crochet the front part totally the same as the back part, but work 11 rows instead of 12. Then join the back and front parts together. This is my back part, this is my front part. To join the back and front parts together, use the yarn from the back part. And then continue the pattern as usual. Work 2 single crochets. Then make 5 arches of 3 chains and so on. At the end of the 12th row, work 1 slip stitch. Here's my right side. Now begin crocheting in the round. First round. Chain 4 to pick up the height, then work triple crochet 3 into 1 chain. After that, continue working the first round as your row 5. Chain 3, single crochet 1 and so on. Again, work your first round as your row 5, and where you have single crochets between shells, work triple crochet 7 into 1 single crochet chain. Then continue as usual. At the end of the first round, skip 2 arches of 3 chains, then work 3 triple crochets into the same chain. And 1 slip stitch into the 4th chain. Work the second round as your second row. Chain 5 triple crochet 1, then work chain 1 triple crochet 1 2 times and continue as usual. Double crochet 1 above single crochet chain and so on. At the end of the second round, work triple crochet 1 chain 1 3 times, then work 1 slip stitch into the fourth chain, third round work as your third row. At the end of the third round, chain 1 and work single crochet 1. Now create 2 arches of 3 chains. And continue working the fourth round as your fourth row. At the end of the round 4, after 2 arches of 3 chains, chain 1 and work 1 double crochet. Now chain 4 to pick up the height. And just like here, work 3 triple crochets into 1 chain. Chain 3. Skip 1 arch of 3 chains and work single crochet 1. Then chain 3. And then work half of your round as your first round. When you crochet half of your round, work an increase also. So skip 1 arch of 3 chains and work single crochet 1. Then chain 3. Into the middle chain work 7 triple crochets. After the increase, repeat the pattern starting from here. skip 1 arch of 3 chains, single crochet 1, chain 3, 7 triple crochets above double crochet, and so on. At the end of the round, skip 1 arch of 3 chains, work single crochet 1, then again chain 3, and work 3 triple crochets into 1 chain. Work 1 slip stitch into the 4th chain. Now repeat the pattern starting from the second round. Again, chain 5, triple crochet 1, then work chain 1, triple crochet 1 2 times, and so on. At the end of the round 8, after last 2 arches of 3 chains, chain 2, double crochet 1, round 9, work without an increase, so work single crochet 1, chain 3, and then work 7 triple crochets above double crochet, and so on. At the end of the row 9, work 1 slip stitch, then chain 3, and work your round 10 like your round 2. At the end of the row 10, work double crochet 1, one picot, and slip stitch 1 into the 3rd chain. Round 11, single crochet 13, chain 3 to end of the round. At the end of the round 11, chain 1 and double crochet 1 after the picot. Then chain 3, skip 1 single crochet and work single crochet 1, then just continue the pattern, create 5 arches of 3 chains, and so on. At the end of the round 12, after last 5 arches of 3 chains, work chain 1 and then work 1 slip stitch into the second chain. After that, repeat the pattern starting from the round 1, chain 4 and so on. Lastly, single crochet around your neckline and sleeves. After that, the top is ready, and thank you for watching.